Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and for today's look we're doing a purple winged eyeshadow makeup look. To start this look, I'm going to be using tape on the outer corners of the eyes to create a sharp look when it's removed. Next, we'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I start out by using the kind of pinky mauve shade, Buon Fresco. And this I'm putting in the outer corners, creating the shape that I want, and putting this in the crease. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm going to be using the darker purple shade. Keeping this mostly in the outer corner and a little bit going into the crease. Making sure it's most pigmented right up against the tape, and that will create a kind of winged look to make it look like you're wearing eyeliner, but you're only wearing eyeshadow. Next, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the dark purple shade called Vanity. And I'm putting this right up against the tape and then blending it into the crease and outer corners. Next, for the inner part of the lid, I'm going to be using the shade Tempera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. Then for underneath the eye, I'm using a little bit of that Vanity shade in the outer corner. For the lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Embellishment. And that completes this purple winged eyeshadow makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.